So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a single crochet. So in order to do this you must be able to know how to make a chain and also how to hold your tension. If you don't, please do check out the videos in my playlist on how to crochet and hopefully learn how to do it. So to begin with, we're going to make a chain of around 10 stitches. It doesn't really matter, just do it to your desired length. So you're going to get your tension and you're going to pinch the chain so that you're just a couple stitches away from the hook. So as you can see here, this is the first chain of the hook, and next to it this is the second. So we don't want to work into this chain here, we're just going to ignore it and we're going to work into the second one here. So with the pointy bit of your hook, you're going to push it through that second stitch, like so. So you push it through and you should hopefully have 2 loops on your hook. So now you're going to make your hooked end of the hook to face away from your non-dominant hand. You're going to go under the string, like so, twist the hook, so now the hooked bit is now facing your non-dominant hand. You're going to pull through that first loop on the hook, like so. So you should now have, again, 2 loops. You're going to do the same thing. So with your the hooked end facing away from your non-dominant hand, you're going to go under the yarn, twist the hook so it's now facing your non-dominant hand, and you're going to pull through both of these loops here, so all 2, yeah. So like so. That's your single crochet done. So you're now going to work into the next stitch. So it's not going to be this big one here, because you can see we've already worked a stitch into it. We're going to go into the next one, which is here. So with the pointy bit of your hook, push through into that stitch. So we're going to yarn over. So this process here is called yarning over. Pull through 1, yarn over again, and then pull through 2. And there we go. That's how you make a single crochet. So do you want to go and crochet to the end? And once you reach the end, we want to now make a second row. So hopefully you can see your single crochets being formed, like so. So we're going to get our tension. So in order to make a new row, we're going to chain 1. So we're going to yarn over and just pull through, like so. We're going to twist this work over so it's now facing, so the long end is now facing your non-dominant hand. So in my case, my left hand. And as you can see, the single crochets have now made these V shapes on the top. We're now going to work into those. So here, this is the chain that we've made. So we're going to work into this V here. So with the pointy bit of our hook, we're going to go through both of those loops of the V that we've created. So it should look a bit like this. You're going to do it again, so you're going to yarn over and pull through the first loop as normal, and then yarn over and pull through 2. So you're going to do that again, so you're going to go into the next stitch, which is not that one. As you can see, we've already got a single crochet made into it. We're going to go into the next one and just repeat the same thing, like so. And there we go. That's how you single crochet. Why not check out my book in the description below? It would be a perfect way to test these new crochet skills.